Hello, good morning. This is JB Tigihanon, your engineering and chemistry tutorial. Welcome back sa ating pong pag-aaral sa electrical engineering. Dito po tayo sa direct current, basic concept po na balikan ko lang. May nakita akong magandang problem that will enforce our fundamental knowledge po ng electrical engineering. So, dito po ay sinabi niya, an electric current is measured in amperes A, capital A. If an ampere is expressed as a flow of charge in coulomb per seconds, that is C per seconds. Okay, how many electrons? So, pinag-usapan natin electrons, no? Pass given a point in 30 seconds in a conductor carrying 8 ampere. The charge of an electron is approximately 1 times 10 raised mo sa negative 19 coulomb. So, ang ating pong solution dito sa problem na to, charge is equal to your ampere A multiplied by S. Okay, S is time in seconds. Okay, and that's gonna be 8 ampere times 30 seconds. That's gonna be 240 charge, no? 240 C. Charge na yan. Okay. At alalahanin din natin na 1.6 times 10 raised mo sa negative 19 charge corresponds or equal to 1 electron is equal to 1 electron. Okay. Electron. Okay. So therefore, yung 240 mo coulomb no, corresponds to or equal to, parang ano, no, i-convert natin to, 1 times 240, okay, divide by 1.6 times 10 negative 19. Okay, 19 po yan, hindi 1.9. Wait lang, burahin ko lang, ewan ko bakit nagkaroon ng tuldok to. That's 19. Okay, and that's gonna be equal to 15 times 10 raise mo sa 20 electrons na yan. Electrons. Wait lang. Electron. Okay. This is electron. Pupunta pa rin sa dulo eh. So, electrons po yan. 15 times 10 So, napakaraming electrons, ano? So, that is the answer. Kasi ang tanong niya, how many electrons pass a given point in 30 seconds. So, what we have done is correct. So, ginawa natin dito, ginamit natin yung charge. Charge is ampere times number of seconds. So, what we got is itong 240 charge. And then, yung ating charge, 1 electron is equal to 1.6 times 10, negative 19 coulomb. So, that's the equivalent, no, of 1 electron. Okay, and then your 240 charge is equal to, kinonvert lang natin. So, 1 times 240 over 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 to get the number of electrons, okay, of 240 charge. So, that's the answer. Bye for now. Please, for those of you who have not yet subscribe to my channel para po mas marami pa tayong makakasamang kamag-aaral, no? Thanks. Bye.